Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Karim. We're very happy to see you again for another exciting English lesson. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is made especially for beginners who want to improve their English step by step through simple, natural, and useful conversations.
Hello, everyone. Learning English becomes much easier when you practice real-life situations. That's exactly what we're going to do today. We'll learn English that you can actually use when traveling, meeting new people, or visiting a restaurant.
Have you ever gone to a restaurant in another country and didn't know what to say in English? Maybe you wanted to order food, ask for the menu, or request the bill, but you didn't know the right words. Don't worry. After today's lesson, you'll know exactly what to say.
Today's topic is at the restaurant. It's one of the most useful conversations for English learners because ordering food is something many people do when they travel or meet friends. You'll learn common questions, useful expressions, and polite answers that native English speakers use every day.
We'll practice how to greet the waiter, ask for the menu, order food and drinks, ask questions about the menu, and finally, ask for the bill. These simple expressions will help you feel more confident in real situations.
Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is part of learning. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to use these expressions whenever you have the chance. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become.
Happy? Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. We publish new conversations regularly to help you improve your English speaking and listening skills.
So, are you ready to visit a restaurant and order your favorite meal in English?
Great! Let's start today's conversation. Hello, Sarah. I'm really hungry today. Would you like to have lunch with me?
Hi, Karim. That sounds like a great idea. I was thinking about lunch too. Let's go to that new restaurant near the park.
Perfect. I've heard the food there is delicious.
Yes, many people recommend it. Let's go inside.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How many people are there? 2 people, please. Please follow me. Here is your table.
This is a nice restaurant. I like the atmosphere.
Me too. It's clean, quiet, and comfortable. Here are your menus. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Reading. There are so many choices. I don't know what to order.
I'm looking at the chicken dishes. They all look delicious.
What are you going to order?
I think I'll have grilled chicken with rice and a fresh salad.
That sounds tasty. I think I'll order a beef burger with French fries. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like? I'd like 1 beef burger, 1 large French fries, and a glass of orange juice, please. Certainly. And what would you like, madam?
I'd like grilled chicken with rice, a salad, and a bottle of water, please.
Excellent choice. Excuse me, could I have some ketchup, please? Of course. I'll bring it right away.
I really like polite expressions like please, thank you, and I'd like. They make conversations much nicer.
You're right. Good manners are important everywhere. A few minutes later, here are your meals. Enjoy your food. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow, my burger looks delicious.
And my chicken smells amazing. Everything looks fresh.
How does your meal taste?
It's excellent. The chicken is tender and the rice is perfectly cooked.
My burger is juicy and the fries are crispy. I'm really enjoying this meal.
Would you like to try some of my salad?
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome.
Would you like to taste one of my French fries?
Why not? Thank you.
After finishing the meal, I'm full now. That was a wonderful lunch.
I agree. Everything was delicious.
Excuse me. Yes, sir? Could we have the bill, please? Certainly. I'll bring it in a moment.
Thank you for inviting me today, Karim.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure. I enjoyed our lunch and our English conversation.
Me too. Practicing English in real-life situations makes learning much easier and much more enjoyable.
Excellent job, everyone. Today we learned how to order food in English and how to have a simple conversation at a restaurant. These expressions are very useful when you travel or visit an English-speaking country.
That's right. We learned how to greet the waiter, ask for the menu, order food and drinks, ask for extra items, and finally ask for the bill. These are everyday English expressions that you can use with confidence.
Remember, don't just watch this lesson once. Listen to it again, repeat every sentence, and practice the conversation with your friends or family. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What is your favorite food? What do you usually order at a restaurant? Do you prefer pizza, burgers, chicken, or pasta? Write your answers in the comments below.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English conversation.
Share this lesson with anyone who is learning English. Practicing together makes learning easier and more enjoyable.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing English every day, stay confident, and never stop learning. See you in episode 5 on English with Karim. Goodbye, everyone.